Hey everyone!
Thanks for tuning in to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday with our taste tester, Justin.
What's going on?
I feel like it should be our kids today for a taste tester.
For real, they really do. They will want to try this.
Yeah, they're gonna love it. But today we're making a really simple s'mores pudding. This is pretty much something that you don't like. You have guests over last minute. You have no idea what to make. You don't have time to make anything homemade. You're gonna just look through your fridge in your pantry, figure out what you have, and you probably have all these ingredients. It's just chocolate pudding. I'll go over the ingredients, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, friends, so here are the ingredients. You're gonna need graham crackers, and you're gonna have to crumble them. You can put them in a bag and crumble it and just like crush it with your hands if you're mad, or you can put it in a food processor. That's what I did, and I did it till it was like a sand-like consistency. So this is just regular old graham crackers, and then you'll need jumbo marshmallows. That's for the topping, and I have two, but you can you can just get one if you want. And then regular size marshmallows, the smaller ones, and graham crackers. That's for like decorative purposes for later. And then instant chocolate pudding. You can make your pudding, you know, like mix it all up and do all that, but if you're like in a hurry, this is like a last minute thing, these are things that might be in your fridge already as a dessert idea, and that's kind of like what I'm aiming for. And then mini chocolate chips, because they're so cute. They're just so cute. So let's get started, you guys. So I'm using a regular cup for my delicious pudding dessert. So we're gonna place the graham cracker crust in the bottom. I think I pulsed too much graham crackers, but that's all good. We'll save that for another day. So this is gonna be the crust, you guys. And then you are ready to add the pudding right on top. We're gonna try and make it cute. So we're gonna put that right there. Now you're ready to add the marshmallows. You're gonna just place that. It would be better if you had like smaller parfait cups, but I don't have that. I'm working with what I've got here. But you guys get the idea, right? Like you're just doing it based on like the way it looks, and also it's gonna be delicious. It's like pretty much s'mores, but pudding form. So we have the marshmallows, right? Like this. And now we're gonna add more crumbs because I am about that crumb life. So we're gonna add it right on top like this. And then we're gonna add more of the pudding. The last thing you're gonna do is add those mini chocolate chips. You're going to place the graham cracker right here. And if you want to be extra, you can kind of roast your marshmallow on your oven, your range.
So I have received the honorary privileges of roasting the marshmallows. So you're just going to do it on your range, and you don't need it up too high. Try not to hold it too close to the fire or else it'll light on fire. So you definitely don't want to do that. I have quite a bit of experience making s'mores as a Boy Scout, so you can see it's kind of getting a little golden right there. This is perfect for me. What do you think, honey? Mm-hmm. Good? All right.
All right, you guys. So this is how it turned out.
Woo!
We don't really need taste testing up in here.
I mean,
it's
what
just.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, of course.
It doesn't complete it. Should I grab one of these giant marshmallows?
Yes, save me one though. I want.
Should I just like eat the entire thing?
Yeah.
Just like one bite.
But it might be hot, so don't. Oh, and then you can grab the graham cracker and be like.
So.
It should be in a smaller container. This is a whole lot.
This is a lot, but I don't know if I should or shouldn't admit this, but I feel like I haven't had chocolate pudding since I was like a kid. And I had it the other night, and I forgot how much I like it. It's delicious.
I like chocolate pudding.
With the graham cracker crumbles and the crunch of the additional chocolate chips and the marshmallows, it tastes like a cold s'more.
Yeah, a cold s'more with a hot marshmallow on top.
Really good.
The graham cracker is a great addition, actually.
Yeah.
You know, to change up.
Crust?
Yeah, to kind of change up the consistency of the pudding. It's really good.
Yeah. Awesome.
I would put peanuts in here.
Oh, he would put peanuts on everything. If you guys have noticed, he would put peanuts on everything. But you know what?
It's just peanuts with chocolate. I don't know,
You
chocolate.
know what? We don't do this.
You know, we could put a layer of peanut butter in here too.
Yes, you can if you want it.
We're getting further and further away from the concept of a s'more though
Yeah.
by doing that, so you can ignore me.
A Reese's s'more.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, but I would recommend getting smaller parfait cups. This is a lot. This is a lot.
You can even do it in like a shot glass or
Yeah,
something.
yes, but we don't have shot glasses.
No, I know, but like for serving guests or something. Like
Exactly,
it's a tiny
and little spoons. Oh my gosh, but your girl was not prepared. It was like, oh my god, we have last minute guests, which would be you. Yeah, anyways, friends, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy these types of videos where it's not like from scratch, but just like random fast desserts or fast meals, let me know, because I really want to do that, because not everyone has all this time to be Betty Crocker up in here, okay? Nobody got time to be Martha Stewart every day, okay?
Is Betty Crocker a real person?
I don't know, but it's a box.
I don't know, yeah.
You know what? People got time for Betty Crocker because it's a box. You just add stuff. But you know what I mean.
Yeah, totally.
Anyways, give the video a thumbs up, you guys. Subscribe, and we'll see you next Tasty Tuesday. Bye.